Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Chanel Lenderos, 28, single. I have no kids. I am college graduate for business administration.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to help my family in terms of financial needs.
Tell me about your experience in your previous job.
I work as domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 8 months.
What are your duties?
My duties are taking care of elderly, cleaning, cooking, washing clothes.
Okay, so did you take care of child or elderly?
Yes, ma'am and sir, I take care of baby, child, and elderly. The baby is my siblings and the elderly in my employer at the age of 62 and 65.
Okay, so can you tell us how you will take care a child or elderly?
Yes, sir, ma'am. I take care of them with taking a bath, prepare their clothes, prepare their foods, and their medicines.
Okay, so what are your skills?
Aside from taking care of baby, child, elderly, I can take care of pets. I can cook.
Okay, so what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As a domestic helper, it is necessary to be loyal, trustworthy, honest, hardworking, and flexible person.
Okay, so lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hello, ma'am and sir. Please choose me to be your domestic helper. I promise to do my job well because I'm hardworking, flexible, and loyal. Thank you and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.